Hello there, I'm Kenobi and welcome to the Firebot V5 tutorial mini-series. This is a 15 plus part series so you can find the information you require fast. Let's go. Today we're going to have a quick look at hotkeys. So hotkeys are what you can set for your keyboard so you can quickly do stuff. For example, we have a new hotkey. We call it clear all sounds. So for instance, if you were getting into a fight and everything's so loud because someone's clicked a video on your screen or whatever, or there's a cutscene, you're really into the cutscene and then someone just goes and ruins it by pressing all this stuff, you want to get rid of it straight away. So click there to record, select what you want. So I want Control C for clear stop. That's in there now. You can click advanced and add virtual buttons. You can go to effect, go to clear effects and click sounds. And have overlay effects if you want, if there's a video on the screen, and effect cues. So anything that's ready, so someone's clicked something and then someone's clicked another one but it's waiting for that one to finish, you can do that, add that and save. So now if a cutscene comes on and someone presses all these buttons, you can go Control C and it just clears them, stops them completely. Your screen's all cleared, sounds are all gone. It's a fantastic way. And if they really want their sounds back or whatever, once that ends scenes, you can just give it them back and move on from that. I'm sure they'll understand. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you next time.